Brett from the Ormond Garage. After we presented him with his SAN-11 personal 5% CO2 safety monitor and data logger, we are actually in one of the hazard points where you would use the SAN-11. So we're here today. How was your experience?
Great. It's always nice to have another added layer of protection and safety measures available to us. It can be a kind of an inherently dangerous job, and sometimes I'm here working by myself, so being able to have an extra safety measure to make sure I'm protected and I'm not breathing in anything harmful is always a nice peace of mind.
And out of harm's way, that's great.
Absolutely.
And you are at this brewery and another, so this is also great as a portable device for you as well.
Yep,
Right?
perfect.
Nice.
Our cold room, when we're connecting kegs and decoupling kegs, there's occasionally a chance for a coupler to stick open and start filling everything with CO2, so it's always nice to have that extra layer of protection.
Absolutely, and be alerted should CO2 buildup occur. And here at Ormond Garage, they also have one of our Rado 1026s, which is a fixed device as well in their keg cooler for some added protection. So later on, we're going to see some data that Brett has also built up on the SAN-11, since this is a data logger as well, and see a bit of the analysis over 2 weeks' time. Thank you again for watching, and if you're in the Ormond Beach area, definitely stop by at Ormond Garage and Brewery. Meet the SAN-11 Personal 5% CO2 Safety Monitor and Data Logger from CO2meter.com. Designed for employees who work in enclosed areas where carbon dioxide buildup may cause personal harm. The SAN-11 is extremely valuable for those in the brewing, restaurant, and beverage industries and provides a true on-the-go solution. From its large LCD display, audible visual and vibrating alarms, durable enclosure, and enhanced data logging capabilities via our free Gas Lab software. Now you can find the SAN-11 used near hazardous CO2 areas and confined spaces such as fermenters, mash tuns, keg coolers, bib racks, carbonators, and beverage dispensing areas.